everyone, welcome back to our channel. And today's vlog, guys, let's cook a very simple AC but delicious chicken thigh recipe, okay? Including the skin, guys. Here in our country is skin can be eaten, no problem, okay? So for those who did not eat skin, don't mind, you can take off, okay? Chicken skin is rich in collagen, guys, and it's also good to eat. Let's marinate, or let's put not marinate, but only sprinkled black pepper and salt. Fry pan roasted chicken ito, guys. This one is fry pan roasted chicken with my original sauce. So watch until, guys, I will share you my original satisfying delicious sauce for roasted chicken, okay? And let's set aside this one and let's prepare for our sauce, okay? Just very simple, just only salt and black pepper, okay? And now let's prepare the sauce that we need to put in our roasted chicken. This roasted chicken, guys, using only fry pan, okay? This one, guys, is what we call this, beans paste, or common name is miso, okay? It's quite salty, guys. This one is quite salty but rich in umami because there's a dashi, okay? Then main ingredients for our sauce is miso, and let's balance the taste using mayonnaise, plain mayonnaise, guys, okay? Plain mayonnaise. And let's add an aroma. That's very friendly and creamy taste, delicious. Sesame. This one, sesame seeds. Okay. From salty miso mixed with sesame and olive oil. And also let's add a mirin. 1 tablespoon of mirin. It's depend upon the value of the amount of the chicken that you cook. Soy sauce and sake. This sauce is for our roasted chicken sauce. And let's add a black pepper and salt to taste. Just only few, or a small amount. Okay. Then mixed all in one together. This seasoning, or this sauce, guys, is original, discovered in my kitchen only. A mixture of mayonnaise and the miso. I was discovered this recipe, guys, or this sauce last month only. I will try this in chicken wings, a grilled chicken wings. Then I was put this sauce. Perfect. That's why I always using this, and this is my 4th time, I think, to use this recipe of sauce, okay? This is also good for guys, a salmon or any kind of fish, and very perfect in chicken, okay? Mixed in one with even not olive oil. You can use sesame oil for more aroma, or ordinary cooking oil, it's okay. Then let's set this aside, and I'm using this one, guys, broccoli sprout, okay? Keep watching, guys, until end, so that you can have an idea of how to roast a chicken using only fry pan. No need oven, okay? No need oven, just only fry pan. And the hot pan, directly put the chicken skin part so that it could be grilled. No need to put an oil, guys. This one is roast, not fry, okay? Then cover it until the brown color will be seen, and the natural oil from skin would come out. Okay, in a small medium fire, guys. Keep watching, guys, until then. And here it is, guys. This one is already cooked. Look, it's roasted, okay? And the oil is coming out. This is perfect, guys. And let's sit aside. That's quite so yummy. the oil from the skin is coming out. Okay, this is very delicious, guys. And let's set aside, or let's take out the oil. There's a lot of oil, guys. There's a lot of oil from the skin. Look, just only 2 pieces of tights, but there's a lot of oil on it. Okay, you can use this for garlic, chicken garlic, what we call this, or you can throw it. It's up to you. That oil is good. And this time, let's cook the sauce. This sauce is need to cook using the same fry pan. Let's add a little bit of water, guys. Just only a little bit of water. Just only quite a little bit of time, so that it would be more tasty. It smells so good. And when the sauce is boiling, let's take off the pan. You can use this, guys, in chicken, pork, or fish. A mixture of mayonnaise and also the miso. Okay, guys, let's slice. The skin is quite crispy. It's absolutely yummy. Okay, home cook is always the best. Of course, you can enjoy it with your own desire of sauce and your own taste. Okay, and let's put it into plate. The dinner is already done. Ready. And here it is, our sauce, guys. The oil from mayonnaise and the olive oil are getting up. So yun. Then let's put the sauce on the top. This is quite salty, guys, but balanced taste from mayonnaise and also from mirin. Mirin is quite sweet. That's why it's perfect. And it's quite creamy, guys, because there's a mayonnaise and also the, and you can use this for the following cook. And let's put what we call this, broccoli sprout. Broccoli sprout is quite delicious rather than radish sprout. Okay, that's quite stylish. Stylish. They still have aroma, even it's sprout. There's an aroma on it. Okay, and this is our finished product. I hope everyone would enjoy my simple recipe of chicken breast roasted in fry pan. Okay, guys, let's take our dinner. Let's eat our dinner. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone would enjoy. Until next recipe. Bye. Thank you so much. Bye.